Bonjour, class. I hope you all had a great break last week. We are going to look at adding on to some of the things that we did last week. And we're going to do some new things like colors this week. We're going to be doing some numbers. Anyways, hopefully it will be enjoyable. And I am going to start out by reviewing subject pronouns that we did last week. Well, we did before spring break. So I've written them out on this paper again, just to review them. So we have je is I, tu is you, which would be an informal version of you. Il is he, elle is she, nous is we, vous is you, as in a formal version of you, and il and elle both mean they. Okay, now we did a little bit with ER verbs, which we'll come back to an extent. But one verb I particularly want to do today is the verb. I want you to write this down, okay? The verb is aimer. Aimer means to like. Okay, to like. So if you like something. Now notice MA ends in ER. So this goes back to our ER verbs that we did earlier. Now if you think back to those ER verbs, the way to know how to change this verb and make it match the subject is by dropping the ER and then adding the appropriate ending that matches the subject, okay? So for example, if I want to say I like, it is going to be, it's actually J apostrophe. The reason it's J apostrophe is because you have two vowels in a row if you said je aime. So they just shorten that and say j'aime. So I like j'aime. It kind of sounds like a gemstone, G-E-M. That's how it sounds. J'aime. You like, as in informal you, would be to M. So the ending here, we've got E. The ending here is ES. He or she likes, il or elle, M. Okay? So notice our ending there is just an E. If we want to say we like, nous aimons, our ending is ONS. You, as in formal you like, vous aimez, and they like would be il or elle, A-I-M-E-N-T, which is pronounced M. Okay, so I want you to pronounce these with me. J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, and ils aiment, elles aiment. Okay, now this opens up a whole lot of possibility to talk about things we like. Now I'm going to give you a couple of examples, and I'm just guessing that you'll be able to figure out what these mean just knowing how to say the verb to like. Okay, so you grab another paper. If I said to you, j'aime les croissants. I'm just guessing you know what that means, all right? So that would mean I like croissants, okay? What if I said, il aime les hamburgers, right? He likes hamburgers, okay? Let's do one more. If I want to say we like, let's think of something easy. How about if I say a color? How about if I say nous aimons le couleur bleu. I'm guessing you can figure that out. We like the color blue. Nous aimons la couleur bleue. All right, so for your homework today, this is not going to be a lot, but you are going to most likely have to look up a few words on the internet, okay? What I want you to do is write 3 sentences using this verb aimer, okay? And I want you to say 3 things you like, okay? So you're going to say, don't use this one because I just gave you this as an example. I like croissants, j'aime les croissants. You're going to do 3 things that you like. So if it's words that you don't know how to say in French, look it up, okay? But each sentence is going to start with j'aime. So I like, and then something you like, okay? So I want you to practice typing that out. Please submit it on Google Docs, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Bonne journée. Au revoir.